Yes, okay. Now I'm recording.
Sure, it's a
What's
better
recording? Yo, eh? Okay.
producer.
Yes, our producer behind is giving us instruction to start. Yo, what's up, everybody? Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you watch me from. Today, outdoor right here, we gotta make things happen because they are making the inside hotter for us. Because when man leave woman, marry another woman, because they used to say woman no dey like woman. If one man leave one woman marry another woman, where's the problem? Should there be a problem? Man leave one woman marry another woman. If woman want to show love, they should show love by not complaining, because at the end of the day, na woman you leave, na woman you marry. My sister, I would like to say welcome to the podcast of 20. This is the third episode, 2024. Now, this problem that has made every man kórí wọn máa mì báyìí kó máa ṣèkì báyìí, orí gbogbo ọkùnrin, orí ọkùnrin ò dúró déédéé bó ṣe yẹ kó dúró mọ́, because
We can use sellotape to hold it now.
wọn láìkí wa, wọ́n ní ká lo sellotape, wọ́n ní ká lo sellotape ká fi
Yes,
make ká fi
now.
mú orí tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn obìnrin yẹn wọn jẹ́ kó dúró lọ́rùn báyìí, orí wa ń fì báyìí ni.
Well,
House
it's
rent,
because
school
which
fees,
house
utility,
rent
everything.
is your right. You are meant to do it now.
Wait,
When you decide to keep your wife at home, you don't want her to work because you don't want another man to look at her bum bum or her breast. Bills go kill you now. Yes, now. You go buy bone straight, you go buy makeup, you go buy medicare, you go buy cream, you go buy everything. Now you find out for yourself. So operation no pity out there.
ẹ ti ń ṣe
Yeah.
meeting lórí wa àbí?
Yes, so
Wọ́n ti ń ṣe
women
meeting
supporting
lórí wa.
women.
Wọ́n ti ń ṣe meeting lórí wa o.
Women supporting women.
Ẹ má wọrí, àmọ́ nǹkan tá a máa ṣe fún yín sìn. Nísìnyí báyìí, kí lẹ̀ ń complain fún? Torí pé tí a bá sọ pé ẹ̀ ní wá lára nílé, ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́mi wa kó tutù, ẹ̀ ń gbé wa lẹ́mìí gbóná. Tá a dẹ̀ sá eré, tá a ń pìkì race lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ tútù, ọmọ ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ tútù, tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀ tútù, tó ẹ wá ń complain torí ọmọ yẹn help ló ń ṣe fún yín o. Gbogbo wàhálà sùúrùtù tẹ́mi yín ò gbé, kẹ́mi yín lè gùn tó lòun máa bá yín fàyà gbà, ẹ tún wá ń complain pé àwọn ọmọ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ sósòsó ni dáàdi ń kó káàkiri. Why should you complain in the first place? Question to you, why do you people complain daddy is going out with àwọn ọmọ
We
ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ kékeré?
actually have a Yoruba adage that says,
Okay.
òrìṣà jẹ́ ń pé méjì obìnrin ò sí.
Kí ni kò yá wa o, kí ni ẹ mean?
But you is what you know that you can't accept. Don't do to your fellow human being.
Kí là lè gbà kò yé
In
mi?
the sense that men, you will have problem when you hear that one man is sleeping with your wife.
Ọba làwa ẹ̀ lè máa
Shey you dey hear na you shebi una dey see dem no fit gree make another man dey sleep with their woman. But dem
ọba bá
dem
lórí
fit
ohun gbogbo
kílẹ̀ ń
ni
bá
wá.
kiri ẹ má bàlẹ́ bàkúbà. Yes, me o, this 2024 operation violence, if you bring it hot you receive it hot. Yes, so women supporting women. I no like cheating. If you wan do, nobody go hold you. If me sef do, no vex.
No,
Do
you
me,
cannot.
I do you.
No, you cannot
Man
do.
no go vex.
You cannot do.
Why?
See, we are not doing any feminism or what do you people call it? Àwa ọba làwa.
Sọ pé ó ti lọ.
Ọba làwa. Nǹkan tá à ń sọ ni wípé as ọba mo lè fẹ́ ẹni tó wù mí.
Do you know that it's only in Nigeria that you people will be carrying ego? You be doing èmi mo tó báyìí, èmi mo tó báyìí. Go and try it abroad. On top your property, you go chop blame, then go collect everything wey you get.
Na those one they are fond of ojoro.
Na why you wan dey do am for here be that?
Those one they are fond of doing ojoro because you cannot see a gentleman that want to live a good life and one obìnrin ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ sósòsó kan ó máa wá máa sọ pé.
But have you forgotten that when you were looking for her, you were rolling, you were doing like doing like if they put water in your mouth, you cannot swallow that water. That's the time they be shouting, "Yeah, the sugar in my tea,
no, that's
the
normal.
Cockroach in my cup." But where is now the cockroach now?
That's normal. You know, when you are meeting
have
a woman for the first time,
okay, that you signed for better for worse?
See, listen. For better?
Yes, now. You said for better for worse. Listen. For better or worse, you said you are going to stand by her. Even when because when you married her, okay, she had the curves and everything.
Normal. Yeah, of course. Now, if you don't get curve, le jókòó, le rí bí jókòó sí, ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní nǹkan tó máa mú.
So yes. Now imagine when she has added weight. You are now complaining that there's no curves any longer. You now want to start looking for another one that has curves. There will be a problem.
That's not the only reason. That's not the only reason. One of the reasons is being that as a philanthropist, you like to look environment. A lot of people need assistance. Assistance. They need help. Even you as a woman being the first wife, you need the Gen Z to come and help you.
To come and help me with
they wash clothes for you. If you need them to go to market, do shopping for you. There are so many things they can do. Even if you are going to party, you can take them along. Let other people know you are very accommodative. You are a very respected person in society.
So why is it not going to happen in the side of the women?
No, see, we are the king now. If there is any issue, would you say, daddy?
When you people want to do madaru, when you want to be selfish, when you want to be self-centered, that's when you be looking for one title for yourself.
God has made it to be. We are the
Adam. What's Adam? You are saying this Adamic nature, that is the one that is giving you people problem. The Adamic nature made you to tell your wife not to work, your wife to stay at home. Now you are shouting bills want to kill you. And this Adamic nature too is affecting you, that you tell your wife, don't wear leggings, don't wear bomb shorts, don't wear kiniko. It's ego and pride that want to kill you people.
See, listen. When you have, past some certain level,
make I adjust my glass,
let the Gen Z, let them do the packaging.
Gen Z.
What are you packaging again?
Do you
after
know
2
what?
or 3, you don't need to package anything. Producer, you can bear me witness.
You have to package. It's not about.
Okay, for who? Who are you packaging for?
Do you know that? No, I don't blame you. I have a friend that when his wife is trying to get his attention, he will be doing his head, amashori legbe ori nta. But his wife tried her possible best to start hiding herself from him. He himself now started having problem with the way she's hiding herself from, because she's feeling like otiri mi tan see finish abi. Let me tell you something. Even after 3 or 4, you are still meant to cherish your wife. If not that, you are not contented with what you have. Yes, now it's because you are no longer contented with what you have, and you feel that okay, you have arrived, you have money to do shinalistic shino. That is why you feel that one person is not packaging, you don't have anything that you want to use to package. But
That's
if
not
you
she
now
now.
seal, what
That's not she
is
now.
not what though?
Because listen, man in nature will be Adam.
Hmm.
Have you heard of Samson, the Superman Samson, the one that fought lion? See, he can't be run ìyàwó fighting ìyàwó like you are fighting lion. Leave ìyàwó kó máa wà nílé. Àwọn ọmọ tọ́ṣẹ̀ ṣẹ́gun wọ́n sì lè tọ́ṣẹ̀ ń bọ̀ yẹn ìgò òórùn wọn. So ìyàwó ó máa reserve. So tó bá ní kó òórùn kùrùn tẹ́gùn bá lọ kán ó mọ̀ pé family wọn máa rò pé ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣèkà fún ni. Pé kìíní so you need to just kó má lọ run because as a man egun iṣan wà egun wà gbogbo ẹ̀ wà.
When you are trying to go astray,
Yes.
that is when you be looking for one English abi one vocabulary
the truth
that
of
you
the
want to
matter
use to curb that your bad act that you want to do.
na the koko na iṣan wà and many of you people you cannot withstand it when you are after you don drop one or two.
Is a lie. Because what me I know is you people, you are the one that will start complaining about your wife that is you are not when your wife is asking for too much you say kí ló ṣe lẹ́yìn tó tún ṣe kinní kan, what else do you want? You believe that after she has dropped one or two that she can no longer be romantic the way she used to.
That's the truth.
Lie.
That's the truth. I won't
Is a
lie
lie.
to you. That's the truth.
Why some women are no longer romantic is because their husband has neglected them.
That's not true now. That's not true. Nobody neglected you.
You know that me, I will always talk from experience. I will always give you examples.
Give me one example.
I have a friend, a male friend, that his wife, when he married his wife, she has these curves, as figure eight is
you and this your cough every time cough.
Men are moved by what they see.
Okay.
So that is what I know about men. This lady has the curves and all, but after dropping one, she exploded. Bam. But I'm also blaming the lady too, because you can do some exercises, you can go on some diet to control your fat, your shape, your whatever. You can work on it if you want to slave for your husband. You can do anything to keep your man. So the wife exceeded the curves.
Okay.
The curves were no longer there. So she was no longer attractive
okay,
to her husband.
Okay.
But it's still not the wife's fault, because the husband too can also help his wife.
Okay.
He's not meant to leave it for only her.
Okay.
So because she doesn't have the curves any longer, the man had to look forward to somebody that has the curves.
See, what me I'm saying, I'm not saying no woman. I'm saying that no woman, on behalf of all the men in this world, no woman is suffering because there is no curve, or because the curve has faded away, or because the beauty is no longer there. No. We are not punishing any of them. We see them as our companion, and we want them to know that there is always room for them, and there is more room for the people coming. Because
which people coming?
They are Gen Z now. They are ọmọlẹ́yìn. I don't know which does that. What kind of, producer help me? What kind of English should I use to qualify? Because as a mother, you have some girls. They are not side chick. They are not side chick. Don't call them chick.
What are
ọmọlẹ́yìn. I will call you ọmọlẹ́yìn.
Lẹ́yìn barista.
Ọmọlẹ́yìn. So now, when you people are up there, they are coming because they are watching your footstep.
Upcoming.
And so why wájú ni tẹ̀yìn wò sáré. They are watching your footstep. Then they know that bàbá lè wound màmá. Kí bàbá má lè wound màmá, they make themselves available to help mama so mama can jẹun ọmọ. Mama ní láti jẹun ọmọ. Yes, you need to reap the fruits you have laboured for because you have produced many children.
And nobody is dragging that with you.
Yeah.
But that is when you people will start having problem.
Why are you saying problem? What's the problem? Talk about.
Yes, now because by the time the children start taking care of their mother, you people will now start protesting.
See, listen.
Because now you are saying all the women they should stay at home. You turn yourself to tanker enjepo kiri. Continue, God go help you. No yawa.
Listen.
But by the time the woman is reaping staying at home, gbogbo philanthropist tẹ lọ ń ṣe níta bọ̀dá elépo rọ̀bì tẹ́ ń jépo kiri ẹ continue.
See,
the woman when they are now saying okay between the husband and the wife ta ló yẹ kán tọ́jú jù, you people will run outside, you say you are the one footing all the bills, you did not tell them that you are also jépo yín kiri o.
But ṣé ẹ ṣì máa ya ojú yín lẹ̀ kọ́ máa wà one sided kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ dákẹ́ ẹ lè sọ pé bàbá yẹn kọ́ you have done this for me, bàbá yẹn kọ́ ìwọ náà lọ ṣe fún bàbá yẹn náà. No, anything you want to do for me and your baba. If you cannot do.
àwọn ọmọ ò fọ́ lójú wọ́n rí gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá wọn ń ṣe.
Kí ni bàbá ṣe?
Bàbá ẹ jẹ́ kó máa rókì lọ́kàn yín.
See, you people, I don't know, you people like to brainwash the children.
Nobody
you
is
now put,
have you forgotten
you now put
that
the children to your
all
side.
these children have you forgotten that they cannot be manipulated? Their brain is far more than their parent own, because they see a lot of things that we the parents don't see, even some things that you think they did not see that they choose to ignore. You will be surprised when they will call your attention to it. So don't be surprised when your child will just tell you, Daddy, I saw you with Auntie Lagbaja. I saw you people pecking each other. You will not know that your child understand what you're doing. You will not know that your child saw you that you hugged so person.
But let's do it like this.
Okay.
Let's say it even happened like that. Won't you have that your church man put into use like let me ṣin Ọlọ́run látara ọmọkùnrin yìí. Yes, ọmọ dáadáa ní bọ̀ ó ti ṣe mistake. Ẹ lè sin Ọlọ́run ẹ lè gbalada ní. Can't you just do that for God's sake?
You know one thing that I don't like? The thing I don't like is you mixing religion with reality because it is RR. I don't like it. Don't mix religion with reality. Let's hit the nail on the head. It's because we are always trying to beat around the bush. That is why our country is like this.
Country. We are not. See, we are talking about family. Country is country.
You know, country not the family wa. Yes, so. Abi. Is this not Nigeria?
Okay,
is
now.
Is your family not in Nigeria?
Okay, now.
Abi your family they are in Kuwait?
Okay, omi pe ìrìnkúrìn ìwàkiwà tẹ́yẹ ọkùnrin ṣe ló produce gbogbo bad corruption problem everything. Is that what you are saying?
Some people will say is it not this if that gave you people the apple? Ibi tẹ́sí ń jẹjẹkújẹ kiri náà lè jẹ apple.
But if a lè sọ pé ó dáa a lè sọ pé kò dáa bọ̀ǹkan tá à ń sọ ni wípé àjọ máa help ara wa ni. Tá a bá sọ wípé a gbé ọmọ kan wọlé àbí sí kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ kan, we want to help that family kan kò nínú ìṣẹ́ àti ìyà.
But do you know that? Let's be realistic now.
Okay.
When I know of some couples that the two of them, they are far, 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 far. Like they've gone beyond hiding things from each other.
Okay.
The wife and the husband, they can just sit at their veranda. Their children are doing fine. They are outside the country, and the husband and wife too, they travel abroad, stay
Back
in
and forth. Okay.
Nigeria like that. So if the husband and the wife, if they are seated, they are talking, maybe someone just walking and just like telling the husband, telling the wife that your husband slept with so so person. The woman will immediately tell the person that the person is cheap, that's why my husband slept with her.
So we have that kind of woman
We
in
have women
existence.
like that, yeah.
Wow.
I even know them. They
I
will
give you
even,
thumbs up.
so we women,
Mm.
we can understand men when they want us to, but
I love that.
we women, we don't like
I
it
love that.
when men are trying to play smart on us.
I like that too.
Tell us how it is, because we are your mother. We will still cover, we'll cover your shit, we'll cover your secrets. So it's better you tell us, and we will know how to defend you anyway.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for bringing up this. Now, I want to openly beg all the women in the world,
Okay.
all the women in this world, I want to say, please help us to forgive all the men who has disappointed you by impregnate another woman or bringing another woman home. Please, our sincere apology, forgive them. And anyone who are planning or aspire to do it later when the bank is loaded with full of money so that we can take care of them, please, I'm begging on behalf of all the men in this world, please let us have as many as we want, because ìwọ̀nba ni agbára yín gbé ẹ blow tágbára wa tó tágbára wa capable láti fún
See
yín.
the way I'm looking
A
at
dẹ̀ fẹ́
you.
lò yín nílòkulò. A fẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé a ti parí ẹ̀, a ti yanjú ẹ̀, a ní láti lọ sí court, gbogbo àtijọ́ agree. Ẹ mọ̀ pé anytime any day a lè lọ síbi tó bá wù wá. Ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ ti gba ká mú pé you be the mother of the home, you will hold the home, the pillar, the four pillar of the home.
And
You hold it.
nobody is disputing that.
Accepted. I
Wait,
feel okay.
wait. Ẹ má máa ṣe bí ológun, torí pé ẹ wọ kámò nísìnyí ni wàá máa ṣe bí ológun bí. You understand?
This is not camo.
Because me, I will not
Point
be
of
there by the
correction.
time.
This is not
By
camo.
the time. So let's be realistic and let's be sincere. Let's be realistic and let's be sincere. When you feel that, okay, you know, some women, when they get to a particular stage of their life, they are no longer active. They are no longer active, and that does not mean you should neglect them. Some men feel that because they are no longer active, they feel they should neglect their woman. No. Let them feel loved. Even if you doing shit outside, don't make it obvious to them. Still give them the respect they deserve.
Okay.
Because women love being respected.
Yes.
When you respect them, they respect you back in return. So when you try as much as possible to balance the equation, make sure your home is organized, no problem at home. Then if you want to do anything outside, you will be free to do whatever you want to do. When you are in the hotel, you can give her some fabu. I have meeting, I do this. When you get there, give her necessary updates. Don't let her suspect you. The moment you don't make her feel like she's useless at home, then you have rest of mind.
That's true. That's a good advice. I'll give it to you.
Ah, yes, so kudos to me. So when you balance the equation, you yourself, you will live a healthy life, and even if you are doing anything anywhere, you will still know that your conscience will be at rest. Your conscience will not be running back and forth like, it seems I'm cheating this person. When you balance the equation, there won't be problem. Women are not mad. They are not mad, but it's what you give to them, is what you feed them with, that is what they give you back in return.